Hello, you're watching NewsX with me, Riya Dwivedi. Now let's take a look at the top story of the hour. Supreme Court has uploaded reports, photo and video with respect to the allegations of the discovery of unaccounted currencies at the home of Justice Yashwant Verma, sitting judge of the Delhi High Court. The inquiry report of the Delhi High Court Chief Justice and the response of the Justice Verma have been made public. The controversy erupted after a fire at Justice Verma's office residence on March 14 led to the discovery of large quantities of cash. Meanwhile, Justice Verma expressed concerns about a potential conspiracy against him. In his formal response to the Chief Justice of India, he categorically denied any connection to the cash or knowledge of how it arrived in the storeroom. We have with us my colleague Mehndi Garg joining us live from outside High Court. Mehndi, in terms of the team that has been constituted, the CJI has formed this three-member panel to conduct a deeper probe into this.
Well, indeed, Riya, after the stack of cash was found at Justice Yashwant Verma's residence, after that, the police officials has informed on March 15th about what happened on March 14th to the Chief Justice of Delhi High Court, Manmohan Upadhyay. And after that, an inquiry happened, and in that internal inquiry, Supreme Court also intervened, and also now Supreme Court has taken a bold move, and we can say very unprecedented move of uploading all the photos, the reports and the videos on the official court's website and making everything public for the transparency as well. And talking about Riya, the three judge inquiry that was formed, the panel that was formed, and in the list of the findings also, Riya, the Supreme Court has formed a three-member committee to conduct in-depth inquiry on this matter. And talking about who all members were there in that inquiry, then yes, the panel members are Justice Sheel Nagu, who is the Chief Justice Punjab and Haryana High Court. Second is Justice G.S. Sandhawalia, who is the Chief Justice Himachal Pradesh High Court. And lastly, the third member on the panel is Justice Anu Sivaraman, who is Judge Karnataka High Court. And additionally, also, Judicial Verma, Yashwant Verma has been temporarily relieved from all the judicial duties. And also the Delhi High Court Chief Justice has been instructed not to, assign him any further cases until all these, the allegations and this case of the stack of cash and the pile of cash that has been found at his residence.
All right, Mehndi,
so
we
yes,
also
we can say
are being
that
joined by Kiran Bedi.